Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, where we're diving into the world of mastering lazy profits through YouTube. Yes, you heard that right. Who said making money had to be hard work? In this video, we'll explore how to build your very own YouTube empire without breaking a sweat. Picture this: creating content that's not only simple, but also rakes in the cash while you sip your coffee. We'll share tips and tricks to keep things easy and profitable, because let's face it, who wants to spend hours editing when you could be binge-watching your favorite shows instead? Let's get started. The concept of lazy profits. So what exactly are lazy profits in the context of YouTube? Simply put, they refer to the ability to earn money with minimal effort while maximizing your returns. Imagine creating content that generates income while you kick back and enjoy your favorite hobbies. The appeal is undeniable. Who wouldn't want to earn money while lounging on the couch? This concept is all about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging automation, evergreen content, and strategic planning, you can create a steady stream of income without the constant grind. Let's explore how you can tap into this lucrative approach to content creation. Finding your niche. Identifying a profitable niche for your YouTube channel is crucial for success. Start by exploring your interests and passions. What topics excite you? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your content. Next, dive into some market research to uncover trending topics. Tools like Google Trends and social media platforms can help you spot what's hot right now. Remember, it's not just about what you love, it's also about what your audience wants. Choose a niche that aligns with audience demand to ensure your content resonates. By combining your passion with market insights, you'll be well on your way to finding your perfect niche. Content creation made easy. Creating content doesn't have to be a daunting task. There are plenty of tools and software available that simplify video editing and production. Programs like Canva and InShot offer user-friendly interfaces and templates to help you get started quickly. Don't forget to repurpose existing content. Turn blog posts into videos or create highlight reels from past footage. This not only saves time, but also maximizes your efforts. Another great tip is to batch film your videos. Set aside a day to shoot multiple pieces of content at once. This approach streamlines your workflow and frees up more time for leisure activities. Monetization strategies. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel effectively, there are several revenue streams to consider. First up, ad revenue. Make sure to optimize your videos with engaging content and relevant keywords to attract more viewers and boost earnings. Sponsorships are another fantastic way to earn money. Partner with brands that align with your niche for mutually beneficial deals. Don't overlook merchandise. Selling branded products can create a loyal fan base while generating income. Lastly, explore affiliate marketing as a passive income source. Promote products you love and earn a commission on sales. With these strategies, you can maximize your channel's earning potential. Building an engaged audience. Growing and engaging your YouTube audience is essential for long-term success. One key strategy is consistency. Uploading content regularly helps keep your viewers coming back for more. Establish a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Encourage interaction by inviting viewers to leave comments, participate in polls, and engage with community posts. This not only builds a sense of community, but also boosts your video's visibility. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This can introduce your channel to new audiences and expand your reach. By implementing these strategies, you'll foster a loyal and engaged viewer base, staying motivated and overcoming challenges. Maintaining motivation on your YouTube journey can be tough, especially when faced with setbacks. I remember struggling with low views on my early videos, but I learned to view obstacles as opportunities for growth. Celebrate those small wins, whether it's gaining a few subscribers or receiving positive comments. These moments can reignite your passion and keep you moving forward. A positive mindset is crucial. Remind yourself that every creator faces challenges, and persistence is key to success. Surround yourself with supportive communities and keep pushing through the tough times. With determination and a positive outlook, you can achieve your goals. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored key strategies for building your YouTube empire from the comfort of your home. From finding your niche and creating engaging content to monetization strategies and audience engagement, each step is vital for your success. Remember, the most important part is taking action. Apply the tips we've shared and watch your channel grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable content, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Let's build that YouTube empire together.